In roughly 10 years, almost every cell in your body will have been replaced. Different atoms, different flesh. So here is a question the Greeks asked 23 centuries ago. If every part of you changes, are you still you? In the harbor of Athens, the Athenians kept a sacred relic, the very ship, they said, that had carried the hero Theseus home from Crete. For centuries they preserved it, and whenever a plank rotted, the shipwrights pried it out and fitted fresh timber in its place. Plank by plank, year by year, the old wood vanished until not a single splinter of the original remained. And the philosophers of Athens began to argue, was this still the ship of Theseus, or a perfect stranger, wearing its name? 2,000 years later, the English philosopher Thomas Hobbes made it worse. Imagine, he said, a collector who saved every discarded plank and quietly rebuilt the original ship, rot and all. Now there are two ships, one in the harbor, one in the warehouse. Which is the real one? Because this was never really about ships. A river swaps its water every moment, yet keeps its name. A nation replaces every citizen in a century, yet claims the same soul. And you too are a procession of vanished selves, answering to a single name. Perhaps identity was never in the timber at all. Perhaps a thing is not its parts, but the pattern that survives their passing. The ship still sails. The question is, what exactly is aboard?